Are you wondering which tool will truly boost your productivity more, Monday.com or Google Workspace? Both promise to enhance your team's efficiency, but which one delivers the best results? In this video, I'll dive into the key differences, strengths, and weaknesses of each platform to help you decide which one is right for you. Stick around, because I'll also share a better alternative at the end of the video that might just blow both of these out of the water. Let's start with Monday.com. It's a well-known project management tool that thrives on its visual appeal. The platform is designed for teams who need to collaborate and track tasks across multiple projects in one place. What I like about Monday.com is how easy it is to customize. Whether you're managing a marketing campaign, tracking development milestones, or coordinating team schedules, Monday.com gives you templates that let you tweak everything. But here's the catch: it can get overwhelming for smaller teams or individuals who just want something simple. Now, Google Workspace, formerly known as G Suite, is a suite of productivity tools built around Google's most popular products like Gmail, Drive, Docs, and Sheets. It's primarily about communication and document sharing. Google Workspace definitely wins on integration. Everything connects smoothly, and you can easily share files, schedule meetings, and collaborate in real time. But here's the problem: it's not built for deep project management. Sure, you can use Google Sheets to track projects, but it's not nearly as intuitive or powerful as Monday.com when it comes to handling complex workflows. Next thing to consider is customization and flexibility. Monday.com's flexibility is its biggest strength. Everything from task statuses to views can be tailored to fit the project. However, all that flexibility comes at a cost. It's not always the easiest tool to navigate, and for teams that just need something quick and simple, it can feel like overkill. With Google Workspace, you don't get the same level of customizable project views, but it shines in its simplicity. If you're already using Google Docs, Gmail, and Calendar, it's incredibly easy to jump into Workspace and get started. There's no learning curve, which is great for people who just need a reliable way to communicate and share documents. But if you need a robust project management solution, you'll find yourself looking elsewhere. The fourth thing to consider is automation. Monday.com offers a wide range of automations that can save you time on repetitive tasks, from notifications to status changes. It makes your workflow smoother by automatically handling some of the more tedious aspects. Google Workspace, on the other hand, doesn't really offer automation for project management, which is a major downside if you're looking to streamline your processes. In terms of pricing, Monday.com can be a bit on the pricier side, especially if you need access to more advanced features like integrations, automations, and reporting. It's also subscription-based, which adds up over time. Google Workspace offers a more budget-friendly option for smaller teams, especially if you're already using Gmail and Google Drive. However, once you start needing more features, like advanced admin controls or higher storage, Google Workspace can get costly as well. Now, if you've made it this far, you're probably wondering, which one is actually better for improving productivity? Honestly, both Monday.com and Google Workspace can help boost your team's efficiency depending on what you need. If you're focused on project management and want a tool that's highly customizable, Monday.com might be the way to go. But if you need a more straightforward, communication-focused platform that integrates well with other Google products, Google Workspace could be a better fit. But here's the twist: after trying both of these platforms myself, I found a better alternative. If you're looking for a solution that combines the best of both worlds, easy-to-use communication tools and powerful project management features, there's something else that might just give you the productivity boost you're looking for. Take advantage of the free trial of the first link in the description, and you'll get access to exclusive benefits that you can't get anywhere else. Trust me, this might just be the best choice for your team.